Yay, she's coming alive. She's so cute. Hey guys, I'll be demonstrating this painting that I made of this really cute alpaca and this lovely girl. I'll be using pastel pencils, and I went ahead and wrote out all the color codes on my color chart, and here they are. I'll be using a hot pressed watercolor paper. I'm just finishing out my sketch, and I used an erasable colored pencil. Here it is from Faber-Castell. It just makes things easier to erase, and I use this kneadable eraser to lighten up all the lines before I start coloring, and I usually do this with all my paintings. I decided to go with a light skin tone, and that one was 681. If you want to see this video of box opening of these lovely pastel pencils, you can check that video out, and I'll leave the link below. I'm cleaning out this paper stump blender with an X-Acto knife, taking off the previous color so it doesn't blend in with the other colors. It did say it was water soluble, so I am trying it out. And it's not exactly a watercolor, but it does make the pastel stick onto the paper better, I guess you can say. And for the alpaca, I wanted it to be sort of like a whitish color, just like this photo. Look how cute they are. They are so adorable. They're like white fluffy clouds. I wonder if I can have an alpaca pet. Anyways, back to reality. Here we go. This is all experimentation. This is the first time I'm using pastel pencils. I'm just showing you that I have two sizes for the blender paper stumpy thingy. What's it called? I never remember the name of it. Anyways, the bigger one is great for blending big areas, and the smaller one is great for precision, precise areas. So I think with the alpaca, I will just start out with darker neutrals, and then go to lighter, and then finally I'll add white on top of it to create that cloudy, fluffy, furry effect. I think just using your fingers is a great way to blend. And I'm just picking up the dust that might come off with a kneadable eraser. So here I was just checking to see that the water has dried, and it has. And I'm going to continue with the skin tone. And I use these two great colors, 642 and 645, on top of the 681. So these three colors combined all together is a great combination, I think. What do you guys think? I just used the darker one for the outline, and then the 642 for the midtones. And for the hair, I decided I wanted an angelic white hair. So I am just using a dark gray and then going over with it with a lighter beigey gray. And then on top of that, I'll use white to bring out the highlights. For the eye color, I decided to use green, and I work light to dark, with the iris being the darkest. I'm not really using black. I just think black is just too harsh in this case. You can just blend all the colors together. You can just play around with it. And I'm just going over with contouring and darkening up some areas with this color highlighting. And I blend it together with the lighter skin tone color there. I just wanted to add a warm color to the face with this corally color. This one was 311. Now for the skirt, I wanted a fluffy, romantic tulle skirt. So I'm creating my own color here. I outlined it with this fuchsia color, which is 335. And then on top of it, I soften it all out with the white. And I blend, blend, blend. And it does create this fluffy, tulle-like fabric effect. And I think that's great about pastels in general. If you want to create a soft, fluffy effect. It's really great for soft fabrics, hair, fur, wherever you want to create a soft, romantic, fluffy look. Pastels are great for that. Now for the background, I just decided to go with very natural grass, sky, and I used different greens, different blues. That sharpener is really great. These pencils really do have a sharp point and great for outline and details. I do though prefer the stick soft pastels for backgrounds. They're just faster and they cover a lot more. But these pencils do a great job. It just takes a little bit longer. I'm just defining the hair more. I am just using pastel pencils strictly for this painting, and I did find it a challenge because I do like to use mixed media in all of my paintings. So this was quite a challenge, I have to say. Here I'm using this great eraser. It's from Tombow. It's called Mono Zero, and it's a tiny, tiny, tiny eraser, and it's great for creating highlights. I just erase wherever I want white, because I'm not using white paint or anything else. I'm just strictly using pastel pencils. So it's a great way to add highlights just by erasing the color off. And here I'm adding the eyelashes, and they are coming alive. Look how cute they are. If you think they're cute, please give me a thumbs up. And now for the best part, these tiny little hearts. I think these pastel pencils are great when you want to get a painting done quickly, right away. They blend immediately and they give you this soft look. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!